Okay, I'm going to back up a little farther.
Try to sit down. Oops, without crashing.
Okay, yeah, I got you in
Possibly.
focus here. I'm going to go ahead and put on video. I'm starting my video now. Good deal. Now you just went to the left of my screen. I'm gonna see. I may back up just a little further. We're about the same height there, Bill.
That may come down lower.
No, that's fine. I'm going to go up a little higher. I'm at 100 feet. Now I'm going up to, and now I'm going to bring it down so I can, oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now you just made the edge of my field there. Yeah, come back around. Okay.
I'm going to climb up higher.
Okay, yeah, I'm up at 150 feet. And you're about 50 feet under me, and I'm just guessing, you know, I mean, you might be 75 feet. Oh, that's beautiful. I got a nice turn there. I'm in the perfect position as far as keeping you in the whole thing in flight. I just lost you. Don't go far back so far.
Yep.
Are you coming back?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
I've lost you as far as, there it is. Yeah, if you want to go up about 25, 50 feet now. There you go. I got a nice thing there while you're climbing.